Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare vitamin D liquid versus capsule forms. We'll explore the key differences to help you decide which option might be best for your health routine. Understanding these distinctions is important for effective supplementation. Let's dive into the details of absorption, dosage flexibility, and convenience for each type. Liquid vitamin D often provides greater flexibility in dosing, allowing you to precisely adjust your intake. Many find it easier to swallow, which is a big plus for children or anyone with difficulty taking pills. Some research suggests liquid forms might offer faster absorption, potentially benefiting those with certain digestive concerns. It's a convenient option for many. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Quick recommendation: just like you choose the right vitamin D form, choosing the right tools for meal prep makes a difference. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Capsule forms of vitamin D offer the advantage of precise, pre-measured doses, making consistent intake straightforward. They are incredibly convenient for travel and daily routines, as they are easy to carry and store. Capsules generally boast a longer shelf life and don't require refrigeration, simplifying storage. This makes them a reliable choice for many users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.